Welcome to the channel, guys. To those that have not subscribed, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for your comments. So let's take a look at USD JPY for this week. So we want to know where this movement will be moving for this week. By the way, this move we will be having a bullish move. So basically, this week we should expect USD JPY close bullish. You can see this week that just finished. We actually had a bullish move. I mean, take a look at this massive move. We actually had about 300 pips bullish move. I hope you actually, were you actually took the trade because last week I did analysis on USD JPY. I told you guys that we would expect a bullish move, and you can see it. We've made about 300 pips bullish move. So this week that I am predicting for, we would also be expecting a bullish move to be made. So USD JPY we will be expecting more impulse move upward, at least to tap this 20 period simple moving average. We would want to see that movement to tap this 20 period simple moving average. And by the way, this is also a key level, right? We can see that once price has reacted to this level, where price got to this same level, then there was a little bit of a correction before price actually dropped. Then price gave us a pullback to test this same level before price drop. Now this price is actually giving us this movement upward. And the next level we are seeing is this level we can spot here. So basically, this week on USDJPY, we will be having an impulse move that should give us about 300 pips again. So basically, if you take your trade on USDJPY, you set this, you should be able to grab about 300 plus pips. Well, before I actually get started, to those of you that are not yet my Patreon subscriber, I want you to become one because I will be sharing out my trade for the day and also trade for the week, especially if you are losing, if you are taking a trade and you are getting stopped out or you are losing, you are actually blowing up your accounts. Once you become my Patreon subscriber, I'm going to give out, trade that's we high win rates. Though I can't be 100% correct, I can assure you for that. Not all the trade will be 100% correct, but I can assure you that majority of the trade are 100% correct. Now, if you were following consistently, especially, I actually revealed it to you that 2 weeks ago, we actually took about 5 trades. Out of that 5 trade, only one we actually lost one. You see that in that 5 trade, we traded, Euro AUD, we traded AUD card, we traded natural gas, and we traded one Nasdaq 100 also, right? We actually won in the four of them. The only one that we missed was WTI. So this week that I just finished, I think we also traded natural gas. We actually won on natural gas. We traded Nasdaq 100, we won. We also traded USD Singapore dollar, we won. And one trade is currently running right now. We don't know if it will be a loss or no or win, though this week we'll be able to know. So basically, 3 trades that I've put out now have actually won. So it's a main one that is still running. So that is it. I mean, you can see that the win rates to the rates that we are, you can see that our win rate is very, very high. So this week, I've actually put out some trade we will be looking at for the trade for the week. We'll be looking at for a trade for the week, and we'll also be looking at for trade for the day. So basically, once you join, we are going to get a better trade from you. I can show you a better trade. Instead of blowing your account, you can give us a try. 20 USD, you will get a better trade from us. That I promise you. So instead of just give it a try, the link will be I'll put the link in the comment section below. So back to this my analysis, we can see that on this weekly time frame, we are kind of like a level here whereby we are very much likely to get a correction. After the correction, another impulse move will be made. So basically, we would expect a little bit of a correction. Thereby, we will go to the daily time frame. So are we getting this correction? Well, definitely it. Are we to have this correction to this level? There's every possibility we are to have a correction to this level. So do not be surprised if in case price tap this level. I think this will be about, I'm not if it is 800 pips, right? About 100 pips drops before price go bullish. So do not be surprised if this price can give us a correction to come tap this 10 period simple moving average, right? So do not be surprised. As you can see, a movement was made there, then a correction was made to tap our moving average. Then we can see this massive movement upward. This is a good amount of movement. So of course, we should watch out for a correction. me, if you're a trader, you should watch out for a correction. You should know that a correction should be playing out soon. So that is why I said there's every possibility that a correction will play out here. So if in case that correction does not play out, if in case correction does not just play out here, then I believe the correction should come out to play out at this 4-hour time frame, probably this level here. So if in case price does not drop down to take out this level, right? Then we expect it to actually drop here. So, before it actually go bullish. So there are two levels we are very much likely to have a reversal up movement. One, it's either we have a drop to the same level, then go bullish, or we can have it at this level here, as you can see, then before we actually go bullish. Anyhow, USDJPY should definitely give us a bullish move. We should close bullish this week. The problem is just the entry point. Where would be the entry point? But if you have to take this trade, if you have to follow this simple movement, I think we should actually come here, then go bullish. Like I said, there's every possibility it can drop down to this level before price rise. But let's follow this movement we are seeing, which is to actually go ahead, drop here and go bullish. So USD JPY, we should continue that impulse move for the week. So if in case you need more updates on more better trade setup and everything, check the comment section. I'll put a link to the Patreon channel. Once you subscribe, you become one. You are going to get a trade from me.